Okay, in this video we're going to be showing how to remove this assembly. Here's the scrapers for the heat roller, and these scrapers are on here to make sure that paper doesn't adhere to the roller. And these scrapers do occasionally have to be replaced, and we're going to show you how to pull this assembly out and do that. So first, what we're going to be doing is this screw right here on the side, and you take it out. As you can see, it's spring loaded. You might have to hold it with your finger to keep it from turning. And once you have it loose, you can simply slide it out from the other side off of this hinge, and this brake right here, just go ahead and pull it out, and the entire assembly comes off. At which point you can easily turn it over and you can remove those individual scrapers. And of course the easiest way would be to turn it up, pull it up, very carefully hold the spring. Don't pull the spring up too high, you don't want to stretch it out, of course. And then take your new scraper, place it back inside, reseat it into the holder, and there you are. You would replace all 6 scrapers. Now these scrapers can be ordered as a separate item, but they come in your they will come in the PM kit. So now what we're going to do is put it back on, and you want to make sure that you get your brake in the bottom hole. There's 2 holes on the end of it. You want to make sure you get your brake back in the bottom one, and then reseat the assembly on the top. Make sure it goes under the handle, and then simply push this back in. This side has a ridge around this, well, I'm not sure what you call it, this bolt here, and just push it back in there and it will seat into the hole. There's a little ridge there, and then simply put your screw back in. And there you go. Make sure that it closes and make sure that it operates properly. This is always kept in the same position relative to the lid by the brake. And there you go. And that's all there is to that. Now, for the lower scrapers on the pressure roller, what you would do is you're going to simply take out these 2 screws on the side. lower section will drop down. Now at this point, you can simply take these out in the same manner as before, or as the other scrapers, and by holding on to the spring, like I said, you don't want to stretch it out too far. Taking the old claw off, and then putting the new claw in. And there you go. And just do that for all 5. Make sure that function properly, and you are done. Simply put your 2 screws back in. Now when you're closing it, make sure that this flag is in the proper position. Sometimes it will get hung up because there is a slot there that it can move around in. And then simply put your side screws back in. And there you have it. You've replaced all the scrapers.